In the last class, what we are seeing the AVP auxiliary vertical plane. Okay, so we have discussed the AVP is a straight line in top view and straight line is its ST. So what is a ST? Suppose there is a line and you extend the line toward the horizontal plane. So wherever it cuts the horizontal plane, it is the horizontal trace of that particular line. Similarly, if there is a plane, we extend the plane toward the horizontal plane. So wherever it cuts the horizontal plane is the horizontal trace of that plane. And what will be that horizontal trace? It will be a straight line. Okay, so horizontal trace of a line is a point and horizontal trace of a plane is a line. Okay, so by using AVP, we want to cut a solid. So how will you cut it? Suppose there is a 3D object, we want to cut it. Okay, if you want a 3D object, you can cut it by help of a plane, right? Similarly, if there is a 2D object, you can cut it uh, by use of a line. Okay, if there is a 3D object, what we are doing? We are making an orthographic projection and showing its top view and front view, and it is the 2D shape. Okay, so we can cut it the 2D shape by the help of a straight line. So by use of a AVP, if you are using the AVP, how can we can cut the solid? We can cut the solid by cutting the top view of the solid, because AVP is a straight line in its top view. Okay, here I will show you how it will work. Okay, so suppose there is a some square pyramid is given, so it is your front view and top view. Suppose now I want to cut the square pyramid by use of a AVP. So AVP is a straight line and its top view. So this line will be here. It is your top view. So line will be here. Suppose I want to cut the solid like this. Okay. So it will be inclined to the XY line. Okay. Means if you are seeing the top view, this XY line is the nothing but the top view. Vertical plane. Okay. So this line is inclined to the vertical plane. Or by definition, it is the AVP. Okay. So if I cut it, so your solid will be look like this. How you will draw this portion, I will show you by use of a example problem. Okay, and one thing you have to notice here, this section plane I am drawing by using the dash double dot. So whenever you draw the section line, you have to show it by dash double dot. Okay, center line, how you show the center line? Dash dot. Okay, so this is your front view and top view, and there's some uh, thing you have to remember it, like after launching a section plane either in a front view or top view, the parts toward the observer is assumed to be removed. Okay, after cutting the section plane, obvious there will be two part, so one part you have to remove. So which part you will remove? The part which is nearer to you. You are the observer, so whatever part will be nearer to you, you have to remove it, right? So when you are cutting it from the top view, okay, where you are standing, okay, so you are standing here, you are looking at looking the object from here, then it will be a front view. When you are looking the object from top, it is your top view. Okay, so this is your what is the dead two portion? One portion is dead and second portion is dead. Okay, so when you look at the object from here, your front view will be appear like this. So what portion is nearer to you? This portion is nearer to you, so that portion